and welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about Godrej Regal Pavilion, a premium residential development by Godrej Properties located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. If you are looking for a spacious luxury home with excellent connectivity, premium amenities and a trusted developer, then this project could be worth exploring. So in this video we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Godrej Regal Pavilion is a premium residential development spread across approximately 12.91 acres in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. The project comprises total 9 residential towers with approximately 2,000 units, with the towers planned as 4 basement plus ground plus 33 floors. The project offers premium 3 and 4 BHK luxury homes along with a massive 75,000 square feet clubhouse, landscape open spaces and thoughtfully planned lifestyle amenities. Developed by Godrej Properties, the project brings together contemporary architecture, spacious residences, premium specification and a strategic location, making it an attractive option for modern families. One of the key advantages of Godrej Regal Pavilion is its strategic location in Rajendra Nagar. The project offers convenient connectivity to Hyderabad's airport, major expressway, healthcare facilities, shopping destinations, schools, universities, and railway connectivity. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is approximately 10 minutes away. PVNR Expressway is around 5 minutes away. Trident Hospital is approximately 8 minutes away. Sujana Forum Mall is around 5 minutes away. Woodwell Railway Station is approximately 5 minutes away, and Greenwich Academy is just around 15 minutes away. With this kind of connectivity, the project can be a convenient choice for professionals, families, frequent travelers and even long-term investors. And now let's take a look at the lifestyle. So Godrej Regal Pavilion offers a wide range of amenities designed around fitness, recreation, wellness and family living. To a grand clubhouse, yoga studio, indoor games room, fully equipped gym, beautifully landscaped garden, jogging track and swimming pool. So whether you want to stay active, relax or spend quality time with your family or socialize with the community, then there are plenty of spaces planned for different lifestyle needs. Now coming to the residences, so Godrej Regal Pavilion offers multiple 3 and 4 BHK configuration. The 3 BHK comes with a super build-up area of approximately 2,674 square feet. The 4 BHK plus P residences range from approximately 2,883 to 2,950 square feet, and the larger 4 BHK L residences range from approximately 3,445 to 3,572 square feet, and pricing starts at approximately 2.15 crore rupees onwards, with additional charges applicable as per the project terms. Another highlight of the current offering is the 20-20-60 payment plan. Under this plan, 20% is payable initially, another 20% at the specified stage, and the remaining 60% as per the applicable payment schedule. So however, this offer is applicable only on selected units, so buyers should confirm the latest terms and availability with the sales team. And overall, Godrej Regal Pavilion brings together luxury, space, connectivity and lifestyle amenities in one well-planned residential development. So if you are looking for a premium home in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, or exploring a long-term residential investment opportunity, then this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.